Well, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
It's a nice activity I can see. Can you just name this activity? What exactly you have prepared?
Yes, this is cooking without fire, and
Okay.
we prepared fruit salad, corn chaat, dahi puri, and corn canopy with along mixed fruit juices.
Okay. And how much time did it take to finish this activity?
Mostly around 20 minutes we took. Each we gave 5 minutes so that it could be prepared a little early.
Okay, so within 15 to 20 minutes your activity was ready.
Yes.
Right? And can we have it for all age groups?
Yes, you can have it for all age groups. It's like you have dessert, you have chaat, and you have juices along with it.
Okay, something which all might like, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, children, for talking to me, and really nice presentation I can see. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, nice to see you smiling. I think you have finished one activity here just now.
Yes, sir.
Can you name that activity?
Cooking without fire.
Cooking without fire. It sounds interesting. That means no fire used at all.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'm very curious to know what you have prepared.
We have prepared wafer pav.
Wafer?
Wafer pav.
Wafer pav. Oh, that sounds interesting. Can you quickly tell us about the ingredients used?
We use different sauces in it, like mayonnaise, chipotle sauce, ketchup, Szechuan sauce. We have vegetables in it like onion and lettuce. We have some chips in it.
Okay, that's nice. And anything else that you have prepared in the same?
So I have prepared this veg burger.
Okay.
Which contains a tikki which was fried at home but not in the school.
Huh?
It contains cabbage, tomato and onions.
So it's a nutritious, I can say.
Yes.
So something which everyone should have it for breakfast. Okay, no problem. How much time it take? How much time it took for you to finish?
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. That's nice. And the entire group participated?
Yeah.
So this is the group right now in front of me sitting, right? Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us. It's a really nice presentation, the nice way you have presented it, the entire activity. Thank you so much. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Nice to see you all smiling. So I heard that you have finished one activity here. Can you name this activity?
Cooking without fire.
Cooking without fire. Okay. And under this activity, what exactly you have prepared?
We've prepared 3 items.
Okay.
The first is the fruit plate.
Huh?
The second is the sandwich.
Okay.
And the third is the sprout chaat.
Nice. Can you quickly brief me about this? What ingredients you used in all these three, one by one?
The fruit plate, there is apples, grapes, banana and pomegranate.
Okay.
In the sandwich, there is tomatoes, mayonnaise, Szechuan,
All right.
and corn.
Okay.
And in the chaat, there is sprouts and vegetables like onion, tomato, and all.
Okay. So what I can see is the entire group has prepared all these three things.
Yes.
So just a curious question, since you have made 3 items, how much time did it take to finish this?
20 to 25 minutes.
Okay. So in less than half an hour, so your things were ready. All 3 things were ready.
Yes, sir.
And how it is for in the taste? You all must have tasted it. Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for talking to me. Thank you. Very good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Can you quickly tell me the name of this activity which you did today?
This is an American taco. It's an American dish, and
Okay.
these are the donuts made
Okay.
from Oreo cookies.
All right. Did you use any fuel by any chance, since it is a cooking related?
No.
So can we say it is a fireless activity?
Yeah.
Fireless cooking activity.
Yeah.
Right. What ingredients you used in this?
In the taco, we used many vegetables such as tomatoes, lettuce, capsicums, and many others. And in the donut, we used the Oreo cookies, like the biscuits,
Okay.
and crushed it with milk, and used some decorations and chocolates.
All right. And roughly how much time did it take for you to finish this activity?
10 to 20 minutes.
Okay, so within 10 to 20 minutes,
Yeah.
the thing was ready.
Yeah, to make
Nice.
it faster, we distributed the group in 2, and half were doing the donuts and half were doing the
Oh, that's
taco.
great. So fantastic teamwork, nice coordination.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much for talking to me. Thank you.